The tiniest bird on the planet is the bee hummingbird. This bird has been one of the most sought-after subjects for wildlife photographers and bird watchers due to its iridescent, colorful appearance and little size, no more than 2.5 inches. Native to Cuba, the bee hummingbird was formerly broad and common, but now it is becoming confined and nearly extinct. The bee hummingbird's appearance length. This bird's wingspan averages 3.25 centimeters, while its real size ranges from 5 to 6 centimeters. Their weight ranges from 1.6 to 1.9 grams. Bee hummingbirds have brilliant breeding plumage, with fiery reddish-pink feathers on the neck, throat, and head of the male. The underside is white-gray, and the feathers on the other upper sections are bluish-green. They are red, blue, and green with vivid iridescent colors. The female's tail feather tips are white, and their upper parts are green. The iridescence is absent from them. They lose much of their color after the mating season. The young birds have no feathers. Wings. The wings feature vivid blue dots at the tips and are strong. Tail. The females have white tips on their medium-sized tail feathers, but the males have black tips, sexual dimorphism. Duration of life in the wild, bee hummingbirds can live up to 7 years. While in captivity, they can survive for 10 years. Qualities of behavior except for nesting season. Bee hummingbirds often lead lonely lives. Being diurnal, this bird is active during the day. They don't need to relocate because their natural home has a pleasant environment. Seasonally, nevertheless, they do travel short distances for foraging in areas with a lot of flowers. The capacity to fly straight up, down, backwards, and upside down is one of these small insects' peculiar flying abilities. Because of its territorial nature, the species male would create its own feeding area. They fiercely pursue other males who try to feed in their territories, including nectar-feeding insects like bumblebees and hawk moths. In order to defend their domains, they would also employ aerial flights and menacing demonstrations. The nectar, or honey, from various flowers is the primary food source for the bee hummingbird, which is a herbivore nectarivory. But occasionally, they would also peck at terrestrial, non-insect arthropods like spiders and tiny insects. Life cycle and reproduction. Bee hummingbirds have multiple partners. During mating season, they may have more than one partner. The adult male birds use leks, or small groups of singing males, to advertise to and entice the ladies during this period. Within a same singing assembly, different males sing different songs. After visiting multiple leks, females choose a partner based on how well he performs. In a single season, a male may mate with multiple females.